Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome again to another video. Hope you guys like the other video that I posted out for you guys, and I hope that video really gave you guys value, because some of you guys ask me questions in the comment section down below, which I always try to answer in the next videos. So guys, I'm really motivated. Thank you for the subscriptions, thank you for the likes, thank you for your comments in the previous videos. Hope you guys continue to support the channel, like the videos, and also subscribe to the channel to get more knowledge and insights about forex trading and trading generally. So today I'm bringing you guys another video, really informative, to really help you guys to nail it down when it comes to your forex trading and take it to another level where you actually become profitable. So today I want to take you guys through 3 skills that you really need to develop in order to become a profitable forex trader. So today we are diving right into the topic. I'll be showing you guys some chart work as well, so stay tuned until the very end so that you don't miss any of the things that I'll be showing you guys in the lessons. Don't skip the video, stick around till the end to get the best value out of this video. And also, if anything does not connect with you, or if you don't understand something that I'm talking about in the video, drop a comment down below. I'll be able to give you guys a better understanding probably in the next video. So let's dive right into it. So the first skill you need to master is knowing how to draw key levels in the market onto your charts. Okay, knowing how to draw key levels on your chart is a #1 skill that you need to develop in order for you to see yourself becoming profitable in the forex market. Knowing and mastering key levels. Now, the first thing I need to show you guys here, remember, if you watched my video, if you've watched my previous video where I showed you a trading strategy that really works and that could make a profitable trade, I'll leave a link that will pop up somewhere on the video here. You'll be able to see that I actually showed you guys a breakdown on GBP USD, and I told you that the monthly bias or the general market direction is down like this. Okay, I showed you it was down, and I told you that when you're analyzing, the #1 skill is mastering how to draw your key levels, and I showed you how to do that. Now I'll just go over that to make or refresh your memory. Drawing key levels, you start from the monthly chart to get the general direction of the market. You use the rectangle tool, pick it up from up here, look at the major turning points of the market. Okay, so you see that the market was going up here, reached here, and then it turned and went down, then went up again to that same area. So that's a key level. Draw a level there. Okay, you can do this on any pair, doesn't have to be only GBP USD. Even if you go back here, okay, even if you go back here, you'll be able to see that this was a key level. Okay, a key level is just a major turning point of the market. That's a key level also. Okay, but that's very far. We are not looking at that. We're looking at current price action, which is in this area here. So where is the next turning point? The next turning point is this area and this area, because you see the market came here, went up, came back to this area, and then went up. So that's also a key level, which is actually lining up with the neckline of that double top. Now, in knowing where to place these key levels, you place these key levels at major turning points, which also represent chart patterns within the forex market. So this is a chart pattern known as a double top. A double top has a neckline here. This is this neckline. So usually when you see a double top, you wait for price to break its neckline, which is usually a support, break it, retest it, and then you look for continuation patterns for the market to go lower. So as I told you last time, the market for GBP USD is looking to continue bearish for a long time up to this area here. This area, the market wants to go to this low here. Okay, so I don't want you guys to get confused. Start from the higher time frame, that's the monthly, then come down to the weekly chart. Okay, come down to the weekly chart and look at what the market is doing. Okay, last week when I posted that video, it was this candle here. It was bearish, but it closed bullish, but it closed within this key level here. It closed within the key level. So this week is creating a bearish engulfing candle at a key level. So you already know that your directional bias is down like this. Okay, your directional bias is down. There is no question about that, because the monthly chart is producing a bearish candle, and last month was a bearish engulfing candle. So this week we are seeing a bearish continuation candle here, which is a bearish engulfing. So the market direction is bearish. So that is for the weekly chart. What you would do also on the weekly chart is to look for other key areas where the market is standing from on the weekly chart. You can see that this was also a miniature double top created here on the weekly chart. This level is here up, is the monthly double top. This one is the monthly double top, and this is the monthly neckline for its double top. Now on the weekly chart, you can see that it also created a small double top here, and here, and this is its neckline, which aligns with the neckline of the monthly double top. So that neckline of the monthly and the weekly are currently being taken out by this bearish engulfing candle for this week, as you can see. Okay, so what you do here now is that you've got a confirmation using the chart patterns, and now what you do is you look for candlestick confirmations on the weekly chart also, just as you confirm using market structure or chart patterns on the monthly and the weekly. You also have confirmed using the candlestick patterns on the monthly, and now you've confirmed that there's a bearish engulfing on the weekly also. The second thing that you need to know and need to understand exactly is when to exactly buy or sell an instrument or an asset or a currency pair or a commodity or an index in that regard. Knowing exactly where to enter the market and knowing exactly how to enter using chart patterns, Fibonacci, or any other tool that you use to enter the market correctly. So the second skill that you need to really develop is knowing exactly when to enter the market using any technical tools that you have, or whatever trading strategy that you use, either fundamentals or technicals or sentiment. Knowing exactly when to enter is crucial when it comes to becoming profitable. So developing that skill will help you to become profitable. I'll also show you some chart work right now. This is the second skill you need after you've known how to place your key levels. Okay, then what you've learned is how to place key levels on the monthly and the weekly chart. So what you do, you can now start looking for how to enter the market on the 4-hour or 1-hour chart if you want to swing trade, and on the intraday time frames, 45, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes charts, 1 hour if you want to day trade. But for this case, we will use the 4-hour chart. Go down to the 4-hour chart. Okay, so on the 4-hour chart, as you can see, let me just zoom and you see, guys, go to where okay. So on the 4-hour chart, you guys can see that this is the same neckline on the monthly chart and the weekly chart. Look at these candles. This is a very big bearish engulfing candle which has been produced. It has taken out the swing low here. As you can see, this is a swing low which was taken out. This one here, this was a swing low, okay, and this was also a swing low which was being respected by this, and it was also being this swing low was respected by these two. But now this candle came and broke below that swing low. You can see now what we expect is that the market is going to continue to roll over, because the monthly chart, the weekly chart, and now the 4-hour chart are confirming that we are moving bearish. Okay, we are moving bearish. Now what you do is on the 4-hour chart, you start to use trend lines. Trend lines help you to enter the market accurately. Now a trend line, like now here, if we were trading, we would have taken this trade on the 4-hour chart after this trend line break. But since we were not on the chart, I'm already in a trade on GBP/USD. I sent it out on the Telegram Signals channel, which is in the description down below. It is free to join for now for a limited time. Yeah, I sent out these signals long time ago, and the market is now continuing down. And you can also see clearly on the 4-hour chart that the market structure is playing out very well. Okay, you can see here, market dropped to this level, went up, dropped, went up, dropped, okay, went up. Now here it created a double top on the 4-hour chart. Okay, now after creating that double top, it fell down, okay, went up to create a lower high. Now it has created a lower low, which is lower than this low here. Okay, so what we expect is the market will retrace a bit to create a lower high lower than this one here. Okay, as it is going up, as candles are printing going up, we are looking for an entry to continue down. Now, how do you enter going down? Remember, when it prints candles going up, you get your trend line and draw your trend line here like this. Okay, you draw your trend line like that. So what you wait for is, as the market is retracing up, you wait for it to break this trend line, okay, for it to continue lower. Okay guys, so you've seen the chart work on knowing exactly when to enter. So when you enter at those levels using those chart patterns or candlestick formations, you'll be sure to be on your way to success, because those chart patterns are the same chart patterns that professionals use to enter into the market. And also these profitable traders that you see also use the same patterns and same candlestick formations to enter into the forex market. So the final skill that you need to develop is knowing exactly when to exit the market. You're in a trade and the trade has been running for, let's say, maybe an hour, 2 hours, maybe a day, maybe your swing trading or your position trading. Knowing exactly when to exit the market or book your profits in the market is a very crucial skill that you need to develop. And this skill is not developed overnight. It comes with practice. You need to practice over and over and over and over to be able to develop the skill further. So I'll show you also examples using chart work. I hope you guys give a like, drop a like in the video, and also comment down below. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Really goes a long way to show me that you guys are really getting good information from the channel. So yeah, let's go on to the charts. I show you the chart work on how to exit the market and where to exit the market from. Hopefully this will help you to develop better understanding on how to exit in the forex market and exit your trades. Okay, now the next skill that and the final skill that you need is knowing how to exit the market. Knowing how to exit the market. Okay, knowing when and how to exit. Now, if you've entered a trade, for example, you've entered a trade here. Let's say we entered a trade at the break of this trend line. Okay, we entered it here. Let's get this. For example, enter the market here. Put our stop loss just above that candle's high. Told you that in the previous video. And then we are targeting maybe a 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Okay, like here, we would have got that money. You don't want to look at only your risk to reward as a 1 to 2. You want to consider these areas here. Okay, forgive me. You want to consider these swings here. You want to consider these areas, okay, in the market. Those are areas where market can bounce and reverse, because market bounced in those areas before. So you want to put your stop loss. Okay, you want to put your stop loss. Just give me a moment. Okay, you want to put your stop loss, I mean your take profit, at one of these previous swing low. You put your take profit here, take profit 1 here. Okay, to be sure that you're going to get that money, put your take profit there. Then you can put your second take profit at maybe your 1 to 2. You can put it there at your 1 to 2 here. You can put your second take profit at 1 to 2, or any risk to reward you want to target, whether 1 to 3. Okay, you can put it at there, but after you've booked your profit at that previous swing low. So guys, these are the 3 skills you need. You need to know how to draw your levels of structure on the market, support, resistance, or demand and supply. You need to know exactly when to enter the market, on what time frame. and you need to know when to exit the market. I hope this video will help you guys to better understand this. So you've seen how to exit the market. I hope this summarizes the 3 skills that you need to develop in order to become a really profitable forex trader. I hope this will help you in your forex trading journey. And guys, I really appreciate that you guys are supporting the channel. I appreciate your likes and your comments. If you have anything to suggest, drop a comment down below and we'll be able to discuss. So till next time, thank you for watching. Peace.